everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Aida Ziori. I'm an interior designer and founder of Stylex Design and Construction. In today's video, I'm going to take you through the process of design and renovation of this beautiful waterfront condo. The afternoon is about 1:30 p.m. and I'm here in West Vancouver near Ambleside to meet with my client today. I'm going to grab a key for this new project, which is very exciting. It's a beautiful day. It's gorgeous here. The ocean is there. I wish I could have grabbed one of those kayak and just go in the water, which would have been nice. Sizes keep getting smaller and smaller, so proper layout and floor plans in combination with great interior design techniques can enhance the look and functionality of the space. The front door had this beautiful exotic wood pattern and it was made of eucalyptus veneer, and I decided to bring that into the space. As you walk into this condo, there is a small den on your right side, which originally I thought it could be a great office. However, my client wanted to use it as a conversational room. He calls it tea room. I've decided to panel the walls and create a feature wall for this room. My client loves gold and brass finishes, so I chose this dramatic gold wall sconces to go on top of the wood paneling on each side and mix that with bronze mirror and brass metal detailing carved into the wood. In the center of the room, I have this gorgeous art that has gold and black texture, and to bring the art out, I used black leather behind it and raised the other wood panel, added LED linear light behind them to shine on top of the leather, and that defines the leather even more. The den has sliding smoke glass door, so it's visible from outside and there is no way you can miss it. We decorated with this dramatic black and gold zebra chairs and black rug under it. These chairs were my client's favorite, but if someone wants to use it as an office, they can definitely place a desk in the middle and the feature wall will look great with it. I had this idea to add a fireplace and TV in the living room, and I didn't like how the door of the bedroom is just right beside it and it was visible when you were sitting in a couch. So we covered all the wall on that side, including the door, with wood paneling and create a hidden door that is not visible from outside. The design and material of this fireplace and TV unit is very unique.
Good morning everyone. So I am in Mark Granite and I'm looking for a black and gold stone, and I'm trying to see what would be my best option.
I chose 100 inches linear electric fireplace from Dimplex and wrapped it with a stone that has patterns in different shades of gold and yellow mixed with gray and black. The shelves are all made of the same wood, and I've designed linear LED light in an angle to lit the back of the shelves. Front of all the shelves, we installed this beautiful brass metal, and at the back of the shelves, we have a bronze mirror in some of the shelves to create reflection and brighten up the space. In this design, we use all gold and champagne accessories, and we repeat them on each side to emphasize on the color and create a balanced look.
Okay everyone, so I'm in Granville Street meeting my client here and heading down to this furniture store because we want to place some order. Okay, just bought this one. Look how beautiful that is.
In the living room area, I have this beautiful sectional couch with wood detailing at the side and the back, and that makes it even more interesting. coffee table has all the right finishes, and I chose a rug that complements the design with all the beautiful warm tones. The living room opens to the balcony, and we have exterior fire pit and exterior couch, and we purchased them from Restoration Hardware. And I have exterior dining table to enjoy the outdoor space even more. This condo has 2 bedrooms, and each bedroom has its own bathroom. Also, there is a powder room for guests to use. All the bathrooms design are very clean, contemporary and neutral, and we installed texture wallpaper in the bathrooms to enhance the look of the bathroom and bring texture to the wall. And the last but not least are the 2 bedrooms. I've designed custom bed and headboards for both rooms. So I'm at one of the job site, and we are right now installing the custom beds and the headboard. It's looking pretty nice. So far the lighting got installed, the smoke mirror, and also the beautiful custom headboard with all the metal pieces and the upholstery, the actual bed. And yeah, it's looking great so far. In one of the bedroom, I continued with the gold theme, and I've designed the headboard with gorgeous velvety fabric mixed with metal brass. And on each side of the bed, I have bronze mirror with wall sconces on top. We have wall sconces aligned with the headboard, so they can get used as a reading light as well. In the other bedroom, the same design kind of gets followed with silver tone fabric, brushed nickel metal, and a smoke mirror on each side of the bed. The bed frame for this room has more gray tone, so it complements the colors of the room and it complements the design. I'm a designer, and my job is to design spaces that suits my client way of living and their style. I also consider the building type, the style of the building and the area, and I try to create unique spaces in my design all the time. People are different, and that makes the design even more fun and more interesting. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like and subscribe for a good vibe, and I see you in my next video. Bye now.